What if every volcano on Earth erupted at the same time? It wouldn't just be one explosion, it would be thousands. Lava would destroy everything nearby. But that's not the real danger. Billions of tons of ash would rise into the sky. The sun would disappear, turning day into night. Temperatures would drop, and the planet would begin to freeze. No sunlight means no plants and no food. And slowly, life on Earth would begin to disappear. This wouldn't just be eruptions. It would be the end of the world as we know it.